Hi guys, welcome to the Data channel. I'm Super Spider. We have you guys here today. So today we'll be looking at this strategy right here. So this strategy is just simple strategy which can be using to scalp the boom and crash crazily and make tons of money. So if you are new to the Data channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I post strategy, you guys will be aware. So guys, I want to do me a favor by making sure that you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any tempting, any damn explanation, any damn settings about the strategy. And also, if you want account management, just contact the number you are seeing at the screen for account management. You to assist you guys manage your account and trade for you. So with that being said, let's jump into the trade. So without wasting much of our time, now we want to add the settings of the strategy for knowing how to use the strategy. So click on the F right there, and then we need two indicator right here, which is the 2 moving average. Now adding up our first moving average, click on the plus and search for moving average and click on it. Now this is the properties for the first moving average. The period is 420, shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and the levels is not necessarily. The time frame also is all time frame. So I set everything up like this, then click on done, and you are going to have your first moving average right in the chart. Now moving on to the next moving average, which is the last one but not the least. Now click on the moving average, and this is the parameters, this is the properties for the second moving average. The period is 60, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and the levels, we don't need the levels, and the time frame is all time frame. So we set everything up like this, and hit on done, and you are good. You are good to go right here. Now this is how your chart is going to look like when you set everything up about strategy. Now how are you not going to make use of strategy? Now we only need to do time frame. We need two time frame for the strategy. The first time frame is the 15-minute time frame, and the second time frame is the 1 minute time frame, which is our entry time frame. Now here on 15-minute time frame, about the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, don't zoom in once, and you are good to go. Now right here we are on a 15-minute time frame. Now let's use this here as an example. You can see now what are you going to wait? What are you going to wait for your 15-minute time frame? What you wait for is that you want to see the price moving below the moving average. That indicates that the market is in the same direction. You want to make sure that you see the price moving below the moving average. Meaning that 2 moving average right here needs to go above the price and the price move below it. Once you see that, then this way you want to go to 1 minute time frame. So let's put this area out right here. Now when you spread that area out, then we want to go to our 1 minute time frame right there. Go to our 1 minute time frame, and then we look at that area. Now this is our expectation about the sell. This way the move starts. Now we are expected to catch 5 candles or 10 candles, and then you are out of the market. Now this is how you catch this spike right here. This are you scalp. This are catch your candles right here. Now you see the price moving downwards right here, moving downwards, creating this spike moving downwards. Now what are you waiting for? You're waiting for a spike to move either touching the first moving average right here, or at the middle of the moving average, or touching the second moving average right here. When you see the spike touching that this three, first one, the middle, and the second, and the last one, when you see the spike touching, then this is when you want to take your entries. You catch the first 5 candles, and then you are out. Sometimes you catch 10 candles, or you are out, or you can even hold the position literally to the support area right there, and then you close your position. So that is first entry right there. You can see we have other entries right here, which you can see we have other entries right here. When you're touching, you can see that this top right here, it just move at the middle of the moving average. But right here, what it did, it touching the first moving average, and then it start this for touches right here. The first touches give us 5 candles. Second touches give us as many as candles as we want. So we're expected to take 5 candles or 10 candles, and then we are out of the market right there. Now these are other entries right here. You can see we have these 4 touches right here. They give us some candles. Touch another time, give us some candles. That is what we are waiting for right here. That is what we are waiting for before taking any trades. And as you see this a spike moving above the moving average, then we are expecting that the trend is already been finished, so we are waiting for another opportunity. This is bumping rate. So let's move to crash indices. Now I'm using the crash trade right here. And first assignment is go to 15-minute time frame. When we go to our 15-minute time frame, you can see we have the breaker right here. We have the breaker right here. You can see the market is giving us a downtrend before. And you can see it changes momentum, changing from the sell to buy, which means that the price will go above and the movement will go below it. So as simple as it is, then we go to our minute time frame, and once we spot that out, we go to our minute time frame, we figure that here right here. This is the area right here. Now you can see right here is already moving to the top side. It's already moving to the top side, but not touching the moving average right here. When it touches right here, this is where it touches. When it touches, first touches right here give us more than 5 candles, at least up to 6 candles right here, and second touches give us as many candles as we want. So as simple as that is, so let's wait for another confirmation and for another entry. You can see it touches right here, give us 5 to 10 candles right here, and then that's sparking to the downside. When you see this sparking to the downside, now expectation right there that is market in this direction into a sell. So as simple as these strategies, as simple as the strategies. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. I don't want this video to be long. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and if I follow your strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.